Imagine the ultimate driving experience where precision meets innovation. This is the Moza Vision GS wheel, and it's the future of sim racing in your hands. So if you've been looking to upgrade your wheel, now's the time. So let's dive in and see what makes this wheel such a game changer. Inside the box, you'll first find the manual, which provides all the necessary instructions. You'll also receive stickers to customize your wheel button layouts and the sticker tool along with an Allen key. And wrapped in protective cloth, the Moza Vision GS wheel. The first thing that you're gonna notice is its futuristic design, inspired by modern concept car steering wheels. The Moza Vision GS measures 310 millimeters, the standard size of GT wheels, giving you that perfect balance of grip and control. But it's not just about the looks. The wheel features a 2.85-inch high-definition circular touchscreen with a 60 Hz refresh rate. This screen is incredibly clear and responsive, allowing you to stay on top of all your essential data during races. What's truly innovative is Moza's proprietary UI customization system. With 10 presets and the freedom to create your own personalized UI dash displays, you can tailor your racing experience exactly how you like it. At the heart of the wheel is a powerful 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, ensuring complex real-time display rendering with almost zero latency. This means you can get precise data when you need it. And no matter how intense your race gets, the gyroscope and Moza software algorithms keep the screen perfectly horizontal, enhancing your visibility and keeping latency low. Inspired by supercar designs, the top-mounted RPM indicator is not just functional, but customizable too. With 10 high-brightness LEDs and 16.7 million colors, it can even serve as a flag signal indicator. The Moza Vision GS is built to last. Its aerospace-grade aluminum alloy construction provides exceptional strength and rigidity. Paired with the hand-stitched microfiber leather grips, it offers a soft yet durable feel for all those long racing sessions. The faceplate, made from carbon fiber composite, adds to its strength and durability. And the forged carbon fiber magnetic pedals give you precise control with a noise-free shifting experience. The wheel's 8 customizable backlit buttons and 72 programmable input signals means that you have all the control at your fingertips. The 7-way funky switch, universal joystick, and rotary encoders make navigation and adjustments a breeze. And swapping wheels have never been easier with the all-aluminum quick-release system. Plus, Moza's open ecosystem philosophy ensures compatibility with third-party bases via Moza's universal adapter. The wheel supports both wireless and conductive slip ring modes, fully compatible with all Moza bases. And the Moza Pit House software offers a user-friendly interface for easy customization and testing. The Moza Vision GS wheel has endured millions of rigorous test cycles to ensure a high-quality user experience. So, whether you're a professional sim racer or an enthusiast, this wheel is designed to elevate your racing experience to new heights. So, get your hands on Moza Vision GS wheel today and feel the difference.